Hi, so today I'm going to be reviewing a ComfyUI workflow for beginners. It is Pixarama's episode 20 sketch to image workflow, which takes a sketch of an image. It can be even a really rough sketch like the one I'm showing here now. And then you can transform it into a very pretty, colored in, professional looking image with an additional prompt to tell the image generator how you want the image to look like. It started with a sketch that looks like this, so like you can tell it's kind of really blur, and then it was fixed up a little bit, and then after that I came to here and I fixed it up some more. So this is the image that was fixed up by the second workflow. You can see in the third workflow it colors in and it looks so nice. It is like the cutest fat little witch, and there's like two options. So like this is the first one I made, and then the second one is like a bit more Buddha with the fat belly. Yeah, so I think what I want to do is to let it be even more creative. So 0.6, and then after that n percent is going to be 0.7, I guess. So I don't need it to be that similar to the an image. So I'm gonna try again to cue this thing. It just generates like a bit of this image. I can choose the ratio, which I put at 3:4, the custom ratio. And then yeah, that's about it. I also changed a description over here that like gives a lot of detail about how this witch should be, and I actually made it in LLM Studio. I think I gave it like the prompt. This is from the original workflow, and this is like how I tell it to change, and then I gave it like these instructions. So this will be the final image, and this will be the original, like this will be the sketch that got fixed up. Right, so okay, this new one, it still has like this pattern here, and it's actually really cool how it changes like the look of these cute, adorable, like fat things. I'm not sure what it's holding in its hand, egg, bird, but I really like these sketches. So that was my quick review of episode 20 sketch to image workflow with Flux from Pixaroma, and it is easy enough to use if you are somewhat familiar with ComfyUI. First, you need to have the manager for the nodes so you can download the models and the custom nodes that you need. And then you would need to adjust the models that you're using depending on whether or not you want a more anime-like image or a more realistic-like image. But I'm pretty happy with the results. It wasn't that hard to set up and it worked pretty well. So from what I saw, I think that the images tend to have like a very strong adherence to the original sketch image. So the lines are followed really closely, and it also listens to the prompts, but it kind of comes up with weird things, possibly because I used LM Studio to just adapt the prompt for me instead of like properly going through and like describing what I want. I just took the standard prompt that was in the workflow, and then I changed from orc to little witch, like a chubby little witch. And then I had it automatically change that for me because it's a lot easier. So generally, I don't really like the weird faces that came out. And I went to check with an image captioning model and actually said that this was supposed to be a moon, which it looked like a little weird face that just appeared out of nowhere. That's it. Like if I had to actually try to sketch and draw and then like color this thing, I won't have managed to do it with this level of like fanciness. So I really do quite like the sketch to image workflow.